The world of work is changing fast. With AI and digital platform evolving, nearly 39% of core skills are expected to change by 2030. How do universities keep up? For 45 years, BINUS has focused on preparing Indonesian talent for global workforce.
We realized students needed exposure to the enterprise systems companies actually use. So in 2008, our School of Information Systems introduced ERP learning and began working with technology partners like SAP. BINUS joined the SAP University Alliances program, which includes more than 2,800 universities and schools worldwide.
Students build SAP skills through SAP Learning Hub Student Edition, SAP's online learning platform, along with focused classroom training sessions by experts. They also prepare for SAP certifications that employers value. This gets them ready for roles such as SAP Functional Consultant, SAP Technical Consultant, and SAP Business Analyst.
What interested me most was gaining access to real SAP practice systems while still being in university.
When I mentioned SAP during my interviews, recruiters become more interested about my experience and asked about my projects.
So when I started working at a corporate, some of business processes already felt familiar, so it helped my onboarding much easier.
Today, thousands of students have benefited from SAP integration in the BINUS University curriculum, contributing to Indonesia's growing digital economy. University and industry partnership like this will shape the next generation of global talent.
Inspired by the BINUS journey, students and lecturers can explore SAP Learning Hub Student Edition. And lecturers can explore the academic starter content. Available free with no contractual obligations. Take the next step. Join the SAP University Alliances program.